privilege, I will say is greater than the challenges, because when my father he came to Dubai in 1958 and started a building material trading business. So continuing that legacy of 63 years is a great privilege for us. The business started in 58, is still up and running. It is handled by my younger brother, Murtaza, and we then diversified into many avenues of business. Like in 90s, late 90s, we we started into energy conservation. Short term, we were in real estate. We have a JVP with one American company in California, manufacturing vehicle tracking system. We started in 2008. Then we have one manufacturing unit in India, in north of Delhi, in state of Uttarakhand, in Kashipur, in JVP with one local company. We manufacture herbal cosmetics. These cosmetics are no alcohol, no chemical, no animal products. It's made from pure essential oil. So in this, we make all three products, hair, body, and face. In all three, we have more than 100 formulations. And then we have a manufacturing unit in Gujarat, in JVP with one local manufacturer. So we manufacture pencils made out of waste newspaper. So this is a very innovative product we manufacture, and last year we got Steve Gold Category Innovation Award. If you observe, all our three manufacturing units are all sustainable. In 2004, we rewrote our mission and vision statement that whatever we do should have positive social impact on environment, society, and people. So all our three manufacturing units are in line with creating positive social impact on environment, society, and people. Vehicle tracking system reduces a lot of carbon footprint because it reduces the abuse of the vehicle. Herbal cosmetics, very organic product. And pencils, it is a big time saving of trees. Currently 400 million trees are cut to make pencils. And whatever pencils we make, that much trees are reduced in the usage of pencil. See, yesterday's newspaper is today's rubbish. Today's newspaper is tomorrow's rubbish. So we roll it and make pencils out of it. The story doesn't end here. 15-20% of the pencils always goes in the bin. Our pencils, when it grows small, you should not throw it. At the end of the pencil, there is a capsule end cap, like a same medical capsule what we swallow. Inside there are seeds. So just when it grows small, dip it in the pot and it will grow plants. Currently we have 5 types of seeds: tomato, chili, coriander, fenugreek, and mustard. When my father came in 1958, there was no water supply, no electricity, no roads, no cars. And in Dubai, there was no airport also. So my father landed in Sharjah that time. And those were the days, when my father came and started business. In fact, I used to ask him that, what made you stay here for so many years, let's say 5-6 years, until the basic civil amenities were instated by the government, because the water supply electricity started in early 60s. So the time when I used to ask him, and if you see that time, India was quite advanced. India had its own airline, own roads, cars, air conditioned, electricity, train stations, and it was quite advanced compared to what Dubai was that time. So I used to ask him what made him stay here for so long without basic civil amenities. And he always used to tell me that, we had a vision that this place will grow. So when I studied my PhD in leadership, I wrote in my thesis that vision is seeing the invisible. Everybody saw it as a small village or a small cluster of villages of that time, being Abu Dhabi, Dubai, or Sharjah. But the rulers of that time, they saw it as beautiful cities coming out of it. And that's the result of that vision what Dubai and UAE is today.